Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME P3 Ultra and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to tap on this, the settings icon here. So let's tap. Then let's tap on languages and tap on add keyboard. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So you can scroll and try to find it, or just tap on search language and enter the name of the language which you'd like to apply. Then let's tap on it, and here we've got the keyboard layouts. Sometimes you will have only 2 and sometimes like 7 or 10 different keyboard layouts. It depends on the specific language. So all you have to do is to just mark the option which you'd like to use and then tap on done. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to the list. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So now we have to go back to the keyboard. And here we've got this characteristic icon which is called globe icon, thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout. So just tap on it to switch between set layouts. Of course, at the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So in order to remove the language, we have to open the settings again, then tap on languages, and here tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Then mark the language which you wish to remove and tap on the trash bin icon, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.